Again, we're going back to our core exercises and another progression in the core movements. Again, don't forget we're building into higher level movements. So start at the basic movements and build into these other movements. Control is what we're looking for. This one is going to require a little more control, a little more development through the core area. What we want, again, the 90-90 position. Now we're going to bring our arms up to the side, and we're going to rock our legs and bring our arms to the opposite position. Hold that for a second or two, keeping the low back flat. Come back to the center together, and then they're both going to rock off to the side. You're not going to have a lot of movement. Try to keep your arms straight, keep your legs in that 90-90 position, keep that low back flat here. Back to that neutral position. Again, flatten it out, start flat, rock it over, arms are off to the side, keep the low back flat, come back to the center, arms back to the center, check your position. Again, don't just get caught up into the movement. Think about what's happening here. The whole goal is to develop the strength through this midsection of the body, what we truly call the core area, and get to those deeper stabilizing muscles. They're very important.